Hey guys, this is Aaron from Sherwood Forest Rabbitry. So these are two of my mini Rex babies and their mama. And her name is Brenda. She's the sweetest little thing in the world. These babies, they're hitting that teenage age right now where they don't want to be held. They don't want to do anything. But they are stinking adorable. Probably one of my favorite things of rabbit breeding and keeping rabbits is all the different patterns that you can get out of these guys and just all the different personalities. So I'll be working on more projects with the baby pools and setting up the cages and everything like that. And I'm actually going to be doing a run or a playroom for my rabbits in here. So I'm going to be emptying this out, gutting it out. I've already patched all the walls, the drywall and everything like that. So really all I have to do is protect this area down here, the heaters. I had to fill in that cubby because it actually leads down the entire way of the house. So I definitely don't want them crawling inside of that. And then I will be installing a plastic like barrier that goes up, or even maybe a plexiglass barrier. That way it's easier to clean. They can't chew anything, and that way it protects the wall and the rabbit at the same time. So this room, it used to be an old bathroom, but it's plenty big enough to house rabbits in and give them a little runaround time. Maybe even house all my females in. I'm not quite sure yet. I do want to set up something in my garage or the rest of the basement down here to kind of give them free run of the basement, and that way they can just kind of do whatever they want. But I just got to block some certain areas off. Plus it's got ventilation up in the roof, so that way we can get some moisture, or if there's any moisture, anything like that, any smells, push it all out to the outside. So stay tuned. Hop on over, hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay tuned for all the little updates I have coming out and all the different plans I have with this rabbit room. I'll probably be building like a bench over there, a couple layer play area, and then I'm going to be having some baskets with hay in it. I'll have a veggie feeding station for them. I'll have a litter box in each corner. That way everyone that's litter box trained can use it, and if they aren't, I'm going to show you how to litter box train them in a future video, and you just kind of go from there. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope you look forward to the project down here in the bunny room, and thank you guys for watching. Like I said, hop on over and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.